Ever wondered what C++ is and why it's so crucial in the programming universe? Let's explore. C++, a widely used programming language, was created by Bjarne Stroustrup. Since its inception, it has evolved and grown in importance, finding its place in various fields. Whether it's game development, system software, or even banking applications, C++ stands as a reliable choice. Its robustness, versatility, and efficiency make it a favorite among programmers. So, you see, C++ is a sturdy pillar in the world of programming. So, what makes C++ tick? Let's dig into the basics. A C++ program is built around library files, a main function, and a specific syntax. Library files are like toolboxes. They hold pre-written code that you can use. The main function is the heart of the program. It's where your code starts running. C++ is also an object-oriented language. This means it groups data and functions into units called objects. With these basics, you're ready to start exploring the world of C++ programming. Now, before you dive in, it's essential to know the tools of the trade. C++ developers often utilize integrated development environments, or IDEs, like Visual Studio, Code, Blocks, and Eclipse. These platforms streamline the coding process, providing a unified interface for writing, editing, and debugging your programs. Additionally, compilers play a critical role in the C++ toolkit, transforming your human-readable code into machine language that your computer can execute. Armed with these tools, you'll be well equipped to navigate the C++ landscape. So, what can you do with C++? Plenty, as it turns out. You can venture into software development, crafting intricate programs that solve real-world problems. Or perhaps game development is more your style, using C++ to create immersive virtual worlds. System programming is another path where you'll maintain and improve the engines that run our digital world. From tech startups to established corporations, the demand for C++ developers is widespread and growing. In short, learning C++ can open up a world of possibilities for your career.